Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm making Hungry Jack pancake. So just come with me and make breakfast. So I used 3 eggs. I'm using 3 eggs for this breakfast. Then I brought out because I'm staying with my friend came to see me, so I'm trying to make enough pancake. So I already poured out the pancake in the blue bowl. So this is me mixing my egg. You need to mix it so it will become like a little bit fluffy. You don't want to see the yellow and the white one separate. So you mix the egg properly, yeah, and add salt to taste. I usually add salt to my pancake sometimes because most times if you make it, it will seem as if it does not have taste. Yeah. So I'm adding salt to it. Then this is me. I'm about to add my milk. You see this big chunk. Oh God, did I put this much milk? I like sweet mouth, so don't mind me. So I added milk. I want to add the dry mixture first before adding my wet mixture. So this is me mixing the pancake and the milk properly. Yeah, we want that sweet pancake then. I don't usually use my tap water to cook, so big as big girl will be now. I'm always using bottled water to cook because yeah, for my health. I wouldn't want to react to something. Then I added my already whisked egg to combine together. Combine together. So yeah. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Add more water. It was too thick, so I added more water to it. So yeah, I'm about getting the pancakes done. Yeah, I have my pan in the fire already. So I'll be using both table vegetable oil and I'm using laser vegetable oil. That oil is very expensive. That's what I'll be using for my pancakes today. So I've added a little in the pan and yeah. Sorry, I was testing it. I wanted to be sure that it was sweet. So yeah. So yeah, we add the pancakes. So I reduce the heat because if the heat is much, your pancake gets burnt even before it's done. So you reduce it to the lowest heat, like the lowest heat. That is where you reduce it to. And how to know when your pancakes are done, like the back is done, the at the top it will be bubbling, like you will see bubbles, like tiny bubbles on the surface. So when you see that tiny bubbles on the surface, then you know it's time for you to flip to the other side. So as you can see, it's still watery. If I turn it now, it will break. I want that flat circled pancake. So I will leave it till the bubbles are visible at the top. Then I can flip it. So this is flip time. Yeah. So see how light brown the back is. This is how you want your pancake to look like. Like this is the best your pancake. I don't like it very white and I don't like it very dark too. So here I wanted to try something new. So I'm adding I have grounded pepper in my fridge. So I wanted to add grounded pepper. I want to give it that peppery. I want to feel that. Sometimes you just feel nauseated with something, so you just want to add pepper. So this is me adding pepper. Don't mind I was using the knife. That was what I could lay my hands on at that moment. So I used a knife I added pepper to the pancake mix. Yeah. So, but this first one, there was no pepper in it. I just wanted the rest to have that peppery feel, and it came out very nice. Like it was better than the one that didn't have pepper. It was very 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 nice. I promise it was very nice. Now see the brown, light brown color of the pancake. So here I'm using butter to make I'm using the butter to make this one, but I'll add a little bit of oil or vegetable oil to it. So I just allow the butter to dissolve. I added a little oil. Then I'm adding another pancake mix and letting it cook. Well, I say cook for steam. So yeah. Yeah, flip time, flip, 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 flip. This one is more fine now. To flip the pancake. Remember, for you to know your pancake is done, like the back is done, you will have to see tiny bubbles at the surface. Then you will know your pancake is done and ready to be flipped for the other side to get brown. So I saw something in the market. They said it's a silicone pancake maker. So I got it. You know me now. I always want to try something new. So I got the silicone pancake maker. Then what you would do is you reduce the fire. Reduce the heat in your pan. Add the silicone pancake maker. It will not melt. Just reduce the heat. Yeah, to make the beautiful pancake. You'll see the baby pancake at the end. Don't worry. So after what seems like forever, I decided to cover it to allow it to cook faster. So yeah, I covered the pan. I reduced the fire very low, like it was very, 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 very low. So let me come back when it's done. So we are back. You can see the top has the bubbles already. So it's flip time. Flip, flip, flip. Yeah, some part of it gummed to the back, but it's not that because it's silicone, it didn't stick to it. So you can see our baby pancake looking all sweet. So we just took it out to a plate. Just look how it looks. It looks very fine. So the remaining part is the last there is a small pancake remaining in the container. I just decided I'm going to use butter, more of butter for this one. And guys, like I wished I used butter for all the pancakes because this pancake was so buttery, was so flavorful. Like the taste was, and the pancake was really very small, so the butter was actually much. The color, the texture, the sweetness, like the taste, everything was so buttery. It was very very nice. It was actually very sweet. I wish you can test it from this screen. It's looking so fine. Yeah. So guys, see the texture I'm telling you about. See the color. Are you seeing the color? See that yellow buttery color? Like, see the texture. This one was actually very sweet.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.